Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning everyone. Today is Tuesday, September 2, everyone. And time check. Whew, for 12. For 12 everyone. Medyo na late ako ngayon kasi ay nag-in sa higaan. Nag-alarm na and then pinatay ko. Sabi ko 5 minutes lang. Pero naging 15 minutes. Ayan lang everyone, and the weather for today is 18. Ay no, 13. 13, labo ng mata. So, 13 degrees tayo ngayon everyone. Papalamig na nga talaga. So, ayan lang at yun lang ang update this morning. Madaling araw na. Madaling araw. Madilim na ang langit. So, ayun lang everyone. At nagmamadali ako sa paglalakad. Hallelujah. Ano pa naman yung bus? 4:39 pa ang dating. So, mahaba-haba pa. Kaya lang, syempre. Yun lang. Bye-bye and see you when I see you everyone. Ayan, good morning everyone. Dumaan ako dito sa Sainsbury malaki. Tapos, pauwi na tayo. At, luto ulit. Ayan, dami kong bitbit. Luto ulit ng lunch. While hopefully makapaglaba ako. While laba-laba and see you when I see everyone. Dito tayo sa pauwi. Maglakad. Dilis. Isa natin sabawan natin ng kamatis at spinach everyone. So later I'm gonna show you the finished product everyone. Ayan, luto na everyone. Ang kain dilis with spinach at kamatis. Ayan o, kain tayo everyone. Ha? Good afternoon everyone. 2:42 na po. 3:42. Ayan. Naantok pa rin ako. Grabe, parang ang tao ko ngayon matulog. Hallelujah. Ayan, just because of pagoda. Pagoda always. Madilim po ang langit. Nagbabadya ng pag-ulan. But nothing to worry because I'm always ready. So, that's it everyone. See you after 2 trains. And 5 minutes walk everyone. So, that's it and see you later everyone. My first train everyone. Time checks 15:51. So 10 minutes to 4 na lang.
station is Wilson Green.
Time check, 16:26 everyone. So, way out tayo, way out. This is the final destination of my second train. Going to work, everyone. That's the way it is. See you later. I'm out already at the train underground station. So let's go. Let's walk for 5 minutes. And it's here already. So see you after 5 hours, everyone. Ayan. Tuesday pa lang. Kaya ang tao ay nasa loob. Nasa loob ng bar. Wala dito sa pavement. So this is it. The boardroom. Bus train everywhere.
This station is Finchley Road. Change here for the Metropolitan line.
Good evening, everyone. Time check, 8:12. Napaaga pa kami ng uwi niyan, pero gabi na. Madilim na. Ito ang tunay na gabi. Madilim na. Kasi, berber na. Berber. So, ayan lang, everyone. Daan tayo dito sa malaking dito sa main road kasi madilim doon sa pavement. So yan lang, everyone, and nearly at my cage. So nearly at my cage.